Say hi, everybody. It's Christian, and he is spoiled. Spoiled does not express the word Gurumbai, but he is spoiled. Granny's baby. He's true Granny's baby. See how he's holding me? I mean, this is his favorite spot. And he sees himself, so he's kind of mesmerized. Say hi. You see he's moving. Yeah. The ABC. He knows it. One, two, three. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. He knows the song, but that's okay. He's my baby, so he can have it. Say bye bye. Are you not gonna tell him bye? Hmm? Say bye.